Hi, Jamie here from Metro Retro. I'm going to show you how to use the t-shirt sizing template. This one is similar to the poker planning in that it uses the playing cards mechanism, which you can activate by clicking on the card pile. Everyone uses the playing cards to display their estimates and run it similar to planning poker. So the first thing you should do when running a t-shirt sizing workshop is to find previous items of work that the team have completed together and classify them into the t-shirt sizes from extra small up to extra large. This will help you estimate the items in the workshop better as you go through them. Step 2 is to populate the board with your items. You can either add these manually with sticky notes or task cards, or you can bulk import them into the board from a CSV file. I've got an example CSV file here that I'll just drag onto the board. So there's one here with IDs, item types, stories, bugs, tasks. Each one has a description. So all I'll do is take the file itself, drag it onto the board, and go through the mini wizard choosing the type of item I want to import them as. In this case, I'll choose task cards. The content is going to be the description of the items, and the color will be the priority. So I'll go next, and you'll see that it's automatically imported all of the items from the CSV as cards on the board. The next step is to run the actual t-shirt sizing process using these cards. So scroll down to the next part, take one of the items, move it into the discussion box. Ask everyone on the team to take a set of cards. They do this by clicking on the card pile. This gives them the playing cards, the t-shirt sizes at the bottom, from which they can drag to their hand and place on the table. You can use the timer to keep the discussion focused, but eventually everyone will have an estimate that they'll be able to play down on the table and will reveal together at the same time. In the same way as planning poker, you can then discuss the range of estimates and come to an agreement of the size for that individual item. Once you've decided as a team the t-shirt size of it, just move it across to the items out section. So in this case, we'll make it a small, and then go through each item on the board like that. The last step is to export the data. So if you select the items in the board, right click, export. Your task cards are selected here. Make sure to add the zone association. This will give you the t-shirt sizes of the columns, and you can change the titles of the columns here. So I'll remove these three. Call this the t-shirt size. Go next, and you can choose a CSV format or a HTML table and download the file. And that's that. That's t-shirt sizing in Metro Retro. If you do give this a go, let us know how it is for you and how we could improve it.